Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gul Knowledge Hub. Welcome my YouTube family to your own channel, which is Gul Knowledge Hub. Today we are going to discuss 10 ideas to learn English quickly. Yes, dear audience, because recently I watched a movie in which I saw that the poor parents got their son admitted in a very high school, in an English medium school where every child was supposed to speak English language. The parents were poor, they were living in the village, and their son was used to speak Punjabi language. But in school, everyone used English language frequently, and they mocked at their son. Their son became so confused, and he remained worried. After watching that movie, I realized that the English learner who tried his level best to learn this English language, if he can't speak English fluently, what would be the condition of that learner? Then I realized that I had to make a video on 10 ideas to learn English quickly. So in this video, I am going to share 10 ideas. If you follow these 10 ideas, I am sure that you can speak English fluently. Number 1 idea is that start speaking English as early as possible. Yes, dear audience, if you are really desirous and eager to learn English language, you have to speak English language from the very first day of your desire. Because dreams come into reality when you work on them. Similarly, if you really want to speak English, you have to speak it out through your mouth from the very first day. Because an interesting study was conducted on 2 groups. One group was learning English through grammar exercises, through learning. The second group, the group 2, was learning English by using videos. After 1 month, a surprising result was erupted. And it was shown that the group which was learning English language by using videos was more confident in speaking English language. They were more capable to perform better comprehension skills. Their grammatical rules were more accurate than the first group. It means that you have to practice. Number 2 is very important, and number 2 step and the number 2 idea is that set your targets, useful targets, then saying that I will become fluent. Because from the very first day, from the very beginning, every learner who wants to speak English, he starts saying that I want to become fluent in English, I will become fluent in English. Remember, dear audience, remember this reality that fluency is the ultimate goal of English language. So don't focus on the ultimate goal, rather set useful goals for yourself if you really want to proceed in this language. So what kind of goals you can set? Number 1 goal. For example, after 3 months, I will be able enough to speak on small talk like weather, climate, sports, tourism, education, politics with my friends. This is number 1 target, and it is very useful. Number 2 target. After 6 months, I will be able enough to speak English with my native English friends and send them email in English without using the dictionary. Number 3. After 9 months, I will be able to pass my English test, 90% of my English test, and I will get admission in my desired university. These are useful targets. Dear audience, you have to keep these useful targets first. then I will become fluent in English. Number 3 is very important. Focus on your targets, on your personal targets in mind. It is very important. If you are preparing for an exam, you should prepare words, phrases, sentences, vocabulary regarding your exam. If you are preparing yourself, if you are learning English language to be used in office, you should learn words, phrases, sentences, expressions regarding to your office. It will be very beneficial for you. And number 4 is that time to read. Yes, dear audience, it's time to read now. I know that for English learner or for any learner, it's in human nature that reading is boring. But when you come to realize the benefits of reading, you will not stop reading. And what are the benefits? Reading improves your writing skills. Reading makes you more knowledgeable and makes you more confident and smarter than you ever have been. Number 5 is that use flashcards. Yes, dear audience, you have to use flashcards. It is very important and very ancient technique to use flashcards. And you can use different kinds of apps, because whenever you go anywhere, you can use the app and use flashcards for learning different kind of vocabulary or expression. Some apps are Tiny Cards, Memrise, Quizlet. These are very important. Number 6. Now we are moving towards number 6. Number 6 is watch TV. Yes, you have to watch TV. TV shows, cartoons, and there are many TV shows. It improves your pronunciation, your expression, how to adopt a natural pattern of communication. There are many kinds of TV shows, like you can watch House, Friends, Big Bang, podcast, and any other kind of TV show which you like the most. Let me know in the comment section which TV show you like the most. Number 7 is try to copy the native speakers. Yes, this is very important and it is called the shadowing technique, because in this technique, what you do? You copy and imitate the expressions. Watch any movie, watch any English TV show and try to repeat the words and the phrases and expression of those native speakers. It is very important to enhance your capability to learn English in a more effective way. Number 8 is that change your mobile setting to English, because we as human beings are very used to use mobile phone in this era. All the time we are surfing on mobile, and it is very useful activity to change all the settings of your mobile to English. So whenever you use the mobile, you learn something new from your mobile. Number 9 is long sentences. Yes, dear audience, learn long sentences, because there are about 750 words in our daily conversation, and you have to learn sentences according to your profession. For example, if you are learning sentences about business, you have to pick up the sentences about business. Either you are learning about tourism, learn some sentences about tourism. In this way, your capability to express your ideas will be enhanced. And number 10, the last point is sing along. Yes, an interesting study has shown that if you sing along an English song, your capability and your ability to speak English will be increased to a highest level. This is most at the beginning or at initial level. It may be difficult for you to adopt the accent, the lyrics of that song, but with the passage of time, it will be a fun for you. You can follow Radio Garden, because it is a worldwide radio station where you can learn English. Apart from that, there is BBC, and in BBC English news, you can also learn English language. And in this way, you can adopt these 10 ideas to learn English language in a quick way. So with this positive note that you can learn and you will learn and you will become fluent and you will set your useful targets for you, then I will become fluent in English. Stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.